Today I'm going to show you how you can translate the Madlearn website into a different language. First, you must be using a Google Chrome browser. Once you or a student has logged into the Madlearn website in a Chrome browser, click on the three vertical dots at the top right of your screen and select Translate. Once you select Translate, you'll see that the website's default language is set to English. To change the language, click the three vertical dots and then select Choose another language. In this example, we're going to translate the Madlearn platform to Spanish by selecting Spanish from the drop-down menu and then clicking Translate. You'll notice all the buttons and text on the platform now display in Spanish. While translation does not work on our tutorial videos or the closed captioning on videos, students can navigate the entire site in the language of their choice. We hope this tip helps you meet the needs of your diverse learners, especially those whose first language may not be English.